Revisionug.com welcomes you from that short break. So we are moving on with our mock examinations, mathematics Mukono Municipality. So we have done section A. It is there. Those who have not seen it, please just go to our website. You are going to find it there. Then section B, we did the first two segments. Now we are looking at the last segment here. And this is going to start from number 26. As usual, it's your teacher, teacher Hakim. All right, now number 26, it is we are having a fraction, decimal fractions, and they are telling us to simplify them. So they are telling us 0.45 times 0.03 divided by 0.03 times 0.5. Now the first thing is to convert these ones into common fractions, whereby this is 45 out of 12 out of 100, then times 3 out of 100, and you have to allow brackets. Then divide by, you open another bracket, 3 out of 100 times 5 out of 10, we close the bracket. Now here we don't have common divisors, so what we are going to do, we are going to open the brackets. So what do you know about division of fractions? We normally use what we call the SR, whereby the sign changes and we get a reciprocal. Therefore this is 45 out of 100 times 3 out of 100 times, now the sign changing, then reciprocal of all these other fractions. This is 100 out of 3, then times 10 out of a 5, then by 100 1, by 100 1, by 3 1, by 3 1, by 10 1, by 10 10, by 5 1, then by 5 9. So 9 times 1 times 1 times 1 is giving us a 9 out of 1 times 10 10, 10 times 1 10, 10 times 1 10 out of 10, which is now going to give us a 0.9. So my dear learner, do not forget to allow brackets always once you are given such numbers. Let us move on and see part B. Part B is very simple. 3 quarters add there 2 fifths. Here we are going to get the LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 5, it is 20. So those who don't know how to get the LCM, please just visit our website revisionug.com. You are going to find all the content about fractions. Now, so here we are going to have 3 quarters by the total parts here, then allow brackets plus 2 fifths by the total parts here, divide by 20 here. So by 4 1, by 4 a 5. Then by 5 1, how many 5s are here? There are 4. 3 by 5, that is a 15, plus 3 by this one, 8 out of 20. So what are we having here? A 15 plus 8, that is you can do your side work from here. This is 15, 8. Now 8 plus 5, what do we get? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We put here a 2. So we get 23 out of 20. But again, this one is bigger. I mean, this one's bigger than this, therefore this one is an improper fraction. So how many 20s are in 23? One group of 20 remainder, a 3. Therefore our final answer is one whole number, 3 20th. Okay, so let us move on and see our next question here. Our next question is saying find the value of k in the figure below. The value of k in the figure below. So this one was not supposed to be here. This one was supposed to be inside here. Now the property we are going to use says that a sum of two opposite interior angles add up to one exterior angle. So when I add these two, I'm going to get this one exterior angle. Therefore it's going to be a k k plus 24 degrees plus 4k is giving us 5k minus 20 degrees. My dear learner, this question required you to be well versed with the idea of algebra, algebraic equations and expressions. Now here we are collecting like terms. K plus 4k plus 24 is equal to 5k minus 20. Now minus 24 here, minus 24. Then here we remain with the these are 4k's Now, so there were two. These are two k's just here. These are 2 k's, then this is a 2, which is giving us 6 k's, giving us negative, giving us a negative, no, sorry, this was a 5, this was a plus, it was a plus sign, this one was a plus sign. So it's giving us 5k plus 5k. Let us first hold on here. This was 2k. This is 2k, and this one. So here, sorry, here we are having a plus. Now, so this one was supposed to be minus. It was the typing error of this machine. Okay, I think that now that one is correctified. This one has to be minus. So 4k minus, then plus here, and also plus this one. So now we are having 5k plus. Now this is 40. This is 40. 44 degrees, and then this is 6k. Automatically this is 0. Now 6k minus 5k is equal to 5k minus 5k plus 44. Therefore k is equal to 44 degrees. This is 44 degrees. Alright, let us now move on. Find the complement of 37. So what does complement mean? The angle, what angle should you add to 37 to give you 90 degrees? So let the complement be, be y. Now this y plus 37 degrees, it is going to give us 90 degrees. So y plus 37 degrees, take away 37 degrees, is equal to 90 degrees, take away 37 degrees. So y is equal to 90, take away 37, we are subtracting. This is a 10, this is a 3, now this is 8, this is a 5. So y is equal to 53 degrees there. So let us move on and get our number 28. Wow! Number 28 is all about fractions. On a farm of animals, a sixth of them are sheep, 3/8 are rabbits, a quarter are cattle, a 12th are goats, and the rest are donkeys. We are having many animals here. We are having the sheep, then we are having the rabbits, we are having cattle, we have goats, and we have the total fraction. Total fractions here, and we get the fraction for the donkeys there. Now, a sheep, they take a sixth, rabbits take 3/8, cattle take a quarter, then goats take a 12th. Then what's the total fraction? So this is going to be a sixth plus 3/8 plus a quarter plus a 12th. So you have to come and get the LCM of all of 6, LCM of 6, 8, LCM of 4, and LCM of 12. Then by 2 here. By 2 it is a 3, by 2 4, by 2 2, by 2 a 6. Then by 2 a 3, a 2 a 1, a 3. Then by 2 a 3, a 1, a 1, a 3. Then by 3 here it's going to give us 1 1 1 1. So it's now 2 by 2 by 2 by 3, which is 4 by 4 by 6, this one and this one. So 4 by 6, which is giving us 24, because we have 60 60 60 60. So 4 groups of 6. Now this is 12 12, that is 24. So our LCM is that one, so we come and get the total. Now this is going to be 24, and therefore a sixth of 24 plus 3/8 of 24, then plus a quarter of 24, then plus a 12th of 24. Now by 6 1, how many sixes are there? they are going to be 4 6s. By 8 1, how many 8s are going to be there? 8 16, they are going to be 3. By 4 1, by 4 here, they are going to be 60. 12 1, 12 2. Now this is 4 plus this one, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 12 15. So you're having 15 out of 24. All the 3 animals take that one. Now let us get the fraction for the donkeys. Now the total parts are 24 out of 24. Take away the 15 parts of all the animals. Then this is going to give us 24. Then we are subtracting. Let us have 25 here. 24 and 15. Now this is 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We remain with the 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So 9. So the donkeys take 9 parts there. So our donkeys here, they will take 24 out of 24 minus 15 out of 24, which is 9 out of 24. Now they're saying if there are 150 donkeys on a farm, find the total number of animals. Okay, donkeys are 152. 152. Now, meaning that 9 parts of donkeys take 152. How about the 24 parts there? I will take 24 out of 9 times 152 there. Okay, now we are going to take by 3. How many 3s are in 9? By 3, 3 here. Then by 3, we are going to have, how many 3s are in 20 what? 24. So 24 and 24 by 3. What do we get? We divide that one by 3. So we are getting 8 of them. Then by 3 1, how many 3s are in? By 3 3. By how many 3s? Now here we are having 8. Then how many 3s are in 152? Now it's going to give us a remainder. What we are going to do, we are now going to first multiply directly here. Now as we are multiplying, so it's going to be 8 times 152 divided by 3. So what are you going to get? Times 8, that is 1216 divided by 3. So you divide that one. 100, it is 1216. We divide that one and 16, divide it by 3. So we are going to divide this one by 3 here, 1. They are 52. So by 3 here, 1 by here, we are going to get 180 animals there on a farm. Okay, now let us move on. Number 29. On a grid below, we have to plot this. So we are moving x and y. X, y. So on x-axis is 0. We move up 5 steps. So we are going to put this one here, and this is going to be point A, which is 0 and 5. Then point B, -2, we are here, and 1 on y-axis is going to be here. So we name this is point B, which is -2 and 1. Then C is 0. Then on y-axis, y-axis, it is this is 3. So this is point C, which is 0, -3. Then D is 2. 2 and 0. We don't go up there. So 0 means that don't go up there. So this is our point. What point D is 2 and 0. So 0 5. So 0 and 5 is there. -2 and -2 and 1. -2 and 1. -2 and 1. It's here. -2 and 1. This is point B, which is -2 and 1. C, which is 0, -3. We are here. 0, -3. We are here. So we have plotted them and then they are saying join A to B, B to C. We join A to B, B to C. We join, you have to use a ruler. We join this one to this. Then we join B. We extend this one a bit. We join B, this B to this C here with a ruler. Now this is C to this D. Then this one it comes here. So we come up with a parallelogram. All right. So so we have joined that one. So the figure is a parallelogram. Okay, now we are having this number 30. A motorist drove at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour for 2¼ hours. He got a stopover for 45 minutes and covered 240 kilometers in 2 hours. In 2 hours after resting. Find the distance before you got a stopover. So here before you got a stopover. So distance is equal to speed times what? A time. Now speed, what is that speed? It is 80 kilometers per hour times 2¼ hours. So hours, we go with hours times plus. So we are having 80 kilometers times 8 times this one. 4 times 2, 8 plus this one, 9 out of 4. By 4, 1, by 4, 20. 20 times this one, we are getting 180 kilometers. So that is the distance he covered before resting. So thickness is too big. Let us use this one. Average, okay, average speed is equal to total distance over total time, and this total time involves even the resting time, the time we took while doing eating, what resting. So total distance, we are going to have journey 1, which was 80 kilometers. We add there 240 kilometers for the second journey. Moreover, the first journey took 2¼ hours, then plus 45 minutes. Now these 45 minutes, we have to convert them into hours. So 45 divided by 60, by 5, 9, by 5, 12, by 3, 3, by 3, 4. So we get 3/4. Now, so plus 3/4, then plus 3/4, then plus the 2 hours. Then we are having 180, then plus 240. What do we get? 0. This is 12. Put here 3 and 4. So we are coming up with 420 kilometers divided by quarter plus 3/4. That's 1 hour. Then plus 2. That is, those are 3. Then plus this one, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 hours. By 5, 1. How many 5s are in 42? There are 8. Remainder 2. How many 5s are there? There are 5. So we get 85 kilometers per hour. So that was the motorist's average speed. Now number 32, it's also about algebra. They are telling us subtract q plus 4 from q to q minus this. So we are taking this from this. So we are starting with 2q minus 7, allow brackets, minus, take away q plus a 4. We open brackets. 2q minus 7, negative times this one, we get negative q, negative with the positive, negative, and a 4. Collect like terms, 2q minus 7 minus 4. Now a q minus 11. So this is our balance there. Okay, my dear learner, this is revisionug.com. Part C. Part B, the average of the age of Musa. The age of Musa and that of Angela are in the ratio of 7 to 9. So we are having our Musa and we are having our Angela. Now, and we have their total ratio. So total ratio, these are the total parts they share. Now Musa, respectively, Musa is taking 7 parts and Angela is taking 9 parts. Then the total is going to be 7 plus 9, which is going to be 16 per parts here. Now this is the present age. Now they are telling us that 5 years ago, 5 years ago. Now 5 years ago their total age was 54, meaning that these parts also reduce. Now Musa, we are having Musa and we are having also Angela. Now 5 years ago Musa is going to go back. We are taking 5 parts 5 years ago from here. now was 2 parts, then 9 take away 5, it is now 4. Then our total ratio here is going to be 2 plus 4, which is a 6. Now when you add these 2 parts, the total age is going to be now then the total age here is 54. Then we need to know how old is Musa. Now Musa 5 years ago was 2 parts out of 6 parts times the total age they had, which is 54 years here. By 61, how many 60s are here? 60, 36. Now that is 42. That is 7. Then 48, that is 8. Now this is 9. So 9 times that one, which is 18 years ago. Now present age for Musa is going to be present age for Musa. If now before was 18, now these 2 parts here were representing 18 years. Then how about now the 7 parts is having? Then the 7 parts are going to have 7 out of 2 times 80. 18 by 2, 1 by 2 here, a 9. So 7 times 9, that is 56, is it? 7 by 7, 49. Then 53. 53. Now this is 49. Then we add on a 7. This is 53. We add on a 7, which is, this is 7, 8. Now this is 60. Then this is 60. 7 by 9, 7, this is by 7, then 7 by 8, that is this one, then 7 by this one, this is 60, that is 49, 50, it's going to be 50, 49, 50, 56, then 63, right? Yeah. So now Musa is 63 years. Alright, number 32. The figure below shows a rectangle ABCD, where AB is equal to DC. And AB, this AB is the diameter of the semicircle, or the semicircle ABF, this one. Find the area of the shaded part. So to get the area of the shaded part, we have to get the area of a rectangle first. So let us get the area of the rectangle first here. That is area is equal to length by width, which is now which is going to be 14 centimeters times now width. So this width is equal to this this is the radius. This is the radius. So this one is the diameter. Now this one is equal to this one. So this is 7. So times 7 centimeters. 7 times 4, it is 28. We put here 7 times this one, that is 798 centimeters squared. Then after that, we get the area of the semicircle. Area of a semicircle, which is area is equal to a half pi r squared. So this is a half times r. What is our radius? Radius, remember to get radius from here, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is 14 by 2, which is 7. So half times 22 out of 7 times 7 times 7 centimeters squared, because it is area, by 7 1 by 7 1 by 2 1 by 2 11. 11 times 7, 77 centimeters squared. Now area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part here is going to be area of a rectangle minus area of a semicircle. So that is 98 centimeters squared minus 77 centimeters squared, which is giving us centimeters squared here. This is 1 and 2. So area of of the shaded part, this one is 21 centimeters squared. All right, my dear learners, this one marks the end of our mock. Mock Mukono. Let us keep await to the next paper, mock examinations or pre-PLE, any kind of paper. Stay tuned, follow, subscribe, like Revisionug.com.